Welcome to part 1 of our How to Use the Drawing Tool tutorial. In this first section, we're going to take a quick look at all the features that our drawing tool offers to help you map out your project with clarity and precision. Whether you're designing a brand new fence layout or just making key details on a property, the drawing tool gives you everything you need, right at your fingertips. From zoom controls to material selection, from drawing clean lines to adding gates, custom posts, and notes. This tool set is designed to be both powerful and easy to use. Let's jump in and explore what's possible with the drawing tool. So first off, we can select the type of view. On the upper right, there is an icon with layers, and we have 5 options: grayscale, streets, white paper, graph paper, satellite view. As you can see, satellite view gives us a realistic look of what the property actually looks like. Grayscale gives us a cleaner look. You can see the names or the numbers of the streets in the area. We also have zoom controls. You hit the plus sign to zoom in and the subtraction sign to zoom out. This little cardboard box is for selecting the material type. When we click on it, we can select the material type. We can select between aluminum, chain link, vinyl, and wood. When you select the material type, the fence line tool becomes available. We're going to use this to draw the fence. So we can either use these controls to zoom in on the property of where we want to draw the fence, or we can use the mouse wheel or the touchpad if you're on a laptop. So let's zoom in a little bit, position the map. We just click and drag and we can move the map anywhere. And we're going to draw our fence. We just click, and when we want to finish, we double click. Then the system will prompt us to edit the height, the width, and the design code accordingly. When you're happy with this, just click on Save. This is where the magic begins to happen. Based on our fence calculator, the system will let you know how many posts are needed to complete this fence. There are some key features that we need to know here. The green dots represent your line posts. The 2 red dots that we have here are your end posts. And the yellow dots are, as you guessed, your corner posts. Now you can see the length of each line or each side that you drew, and where you finished the fence, you can see the total length. Now, there are some additional features on the right sidebar. They appear when you save the drawing of your fence. You can play with the opacity of the line. You can play with the width. Also in Dash Array, you can choose the type of line. If you want round posts, you want square posts, this is where you can change them in fence type. And you can change the color of the line. This is especially useful if you're going to draw more than one fence on the same property or on the same image. So it will help you distinguish between one fence and the other by drawing them with different colors. If you want to hide or show the posts, you click here and you just click on Hide, and you will only see the lengths. If you want to see them again, you just click Show, and there they are once more. We will skip the next 5 tools/features for now, since we first need to talk about the tools and features that you will be using on 98% of your drawings. Next up is the Adding Gates tool, which on the system is called Select the Material. After we have saved our drawing, we can now add the gates. So just click on the little door icon and the system will prompt you to select your material type. After you selected your material type, and according to the gates that have been previously created in your Elite technique, they will become available for you to choose. It's important to note that when placing a gate, the cursor must be a plus sign as it is right now and not the hand. So we place the gate, and just like when you drew the fence, the system will prompt you to edit the height, the width, the design code, and here you have the option of choosing how many drop rods you want to utilize. When we're happy with these, we just hit save. Note that you can place as many gates as you wish. If you wish to show objects or obstacles on your drawing, click on the little piece of curved pipe icon called Select the Pipe/Cable, where you can search for literally any type of image and place it on your map or drawing. We're going to go with the tree. So, after you have placed the tree, you click on Cancel to stop placing any more trees. Then you click on the image, and with any of these 9 dots, these blue dots here, you can change the scale. You can make it bigger, wider, longer, taller. And with this top blue circle, you can rotate it counterclockwise, clockwise, whichever way you'd like, so that it fits your purpose. Now, if you want to erase this image, all we have to do is go to the trash can right here and click on it. So that it doesn't come back, we save whatever we erase and that we don't want to appear on the drawing anymore. The most common objects to show here are trees, rocks, sprinkler heads, underground pipes and cables, maybe if there's a gas line, or water pipes, things like these. If you do dig and set, you might want to know where there are pipes and cables or underground water pipes, or maybe there's a gas line, so you know where to dig and where not to. Overall, all these features make this a powerful tool set to show both your customers and your installation team key factors and important highlights to consider before sending out a proposal or setting up a fence. So last but not least, we have the Edit tool and the Delete tool, which are kind of self-explanatory. We use the Edit tool when we are not happy with our lines. We don't think they're straight enough. So we click on any of the points and we drag it until we feel better. Or we see that the lines are straighter. And we can move any line here with the Edit option on the already drawn fence. So after you're satisfied with this, we hit save. And if there's anything you want to erase, you just click on the trash can as we just did, and you click on the item that you want to go away. If you hit cancel, it will come back. So make sure that you always save. And if you don't want to bother just selecting what to erase and you want to delete everything, you just hit clear all and everything will be gone and you can start back from scratch. In part 2, we will talk about the tools that are considered as secondary, yet not obsolete. Thank you very much.